This next set of videos are going to be all on me redoing this Kioti Mechron 2200. I purchased this from a farmer, a personal friend of mine who abused it pretty good. You know, most of those farmers, they work their equipment pretty hard. And I got it for a steal. And so I'm going to take my time, totally go through it, get it all up to date and current and in running order. Now I did drive it over here from about 3/4 of a mile or a mile away. But once I got it over here, it wouldn't restart. So don't know exactly what's going on. May have to bring in a buddy of mine that works on these diesel motors and kind of help me figure out what's going on with it. Don't think it's anything super duper. These motors are really designed to go a long ways and with very little maintenance. So hoping that this will be fun for you to watch things starting to come apart. And I'm not the normal person that takes these things apart and then just throws them back together. Once I take something apart, I want to put it back together in better condition than when I got it. So you'll see a lot of different changes in this vehicle. So hey, thanks for coming along, and I'll take you for a walk around and let you see exactly what's going to have to be repaired and what I'm going to have to do. Well, as you can see, I've got some work done on it. A lot of work to do. The more I got into it, the more I found things, you know, these patched wires. God, whoever did that, yeah, it wasn't good. There's a lot of that I'm going to have to slowly fix. And, you know, I just knew getting into this project, that's what it was going to be. So the big goal here is to keep taking stuff off. I've got to take the covers or the hood that I had on it and the top and all that, and I'm going to saw them up and put them in my garbage because I don't want to pay 25 bucks to drop them in the dump. So, you know, this is the first shot, and as you see, I'm starting to label everything. All the bags are labeled. It should just start to go back together pretty easy once I get everything off and labeled and figure out what I'm going to need. So, hey, this is the first installment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below, and good luck.